Good morning. My name's Patrick Mincey, and I'm joined by my partners, Christina Milnor and Stephen Bell. Our vision with Mincey Bell Millnor was to create an elite practice group that services sophisticated clients with their biggest problems in the biggest scandals of our day, the biggest issues of our day, and to do it on a global scale. The vision came together because the three of us had an opportunity, and we brought very distinct experiences and backgrounds to the conversation in three key ways: with government enforcement experience, with litigation experience, and with investigations experience. But we all had the same vision, and the same vision was to service clients with the biggest problems and the biggest issues of our day, no matter where they are across the world. We're distinguishable because we don't self-impose any artificial boundaries about what clients we can or should not take. We take clients and we represent clients because of the problems that they have, because we can help fix the problems that they have, not because of any particular cause we wish that they had. We represent clients defending against aggressive prosecutions and enforcement. And we represent clients such as whistleblowers cooperating with and serving as witnesses to government investigations. We're distinguishable because our service to clients in both respects gives us an edge, and it gives us the ability to help them, particularly in high-profile crises, because we know how to keep issues quiet and out of the media when they need to be, and we know how to use the media to our advantage when that's the best course of action for the client.
Well, it's interesting because in the United States, the SEC is not the only securities regulator. There's actually a number of entities, private or quasi-governmental, that also have regulatory power and may begin investigating persons for securities violations. So whether it's the SEC or FINRA, even an exchange could put pressure on an entity or an individual. And we represent clients facing any type of scrutiny or just receiving a subpoena from any of the US regulators.
Nearly every matter we take on is what we refer to as an asymmetric representation, meaning a client is facing simultaneous civil, criminal, and PR crises. Whether they are facing issues in a courtroom or in the court of public opinion, they can come to us knowing that we can handle every one of those crises and that we will hit the ground running to get them the best possible outcome, whether that means getting them a public victory in the courtroom or keeping them out of the public spotlight.
So we're working with a Florida attorney now to perhaps provide him with assistance in securities analysis specifically. We also got a great referral from a Dutch attorney helping an Israeli citizen with a securities law issue.
As Patrick mentioned earlier, most of our cases cross the globe. It's very rare that we have a case that only sits in one jurisdiction. The majority of our cases, particularly the whistleblower cases, cross the globe. It's routine for us to have a case that is in 6 or 7 jurisdictions at a time. And we often, and this is really the rule, not the exception, will need legal, financial, and investigative help in each of those jurisdictions. It's invaluable to us, and more importantly to our clients, to have a quick Rolodex we can turn to get help on the ground in any one of those jurisdictions at a moment's notice.